you're with me, I'm smiling.
Give me
Whoa, 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 your
love. You there, and the love that I needed.
Something
So shy, through my trouble afraid. You're my lady. Look at Scott, bro. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a tip for everyone that is watching this. Don't eat 2-week-old hamburger meat. You'll have the shits the next day for hours.
bitch. Do I stutter, bitch?
Oh my God. What in the world? What happened? The fake tan went to shit. Brandon got a motorcycle. Everyone's freaking out. This dude does not. That's Christian's Pepsi. He does not know how to ride a motorcycle. What's going on? Robbie moved out today. Barbie's in the house cooking fried rice. I'm wandering around. Oh, no, not a good idea.
Put the helmet on.
Not a good idea, Brandon. I found the horn.
Excuse me, miss. I'm gonna have to be taking your car today. You see, I'm on some top secret clown business, and I started over.
No.
Take 2.
I hate him.
Lawnmower blade. Excuse me, miss. I'm gonna have to be taking your vehicle. You see, there's some top secret clown business, and I forgot the fucking words. A fucking clown?
I've got to watch the movies. I'm so curious.
Well, the second one, by far my favorite. So good.
You're turning into Tony Ray.
Oh my god.
Are you doing?
Oh shit.
Back at it again with the white Vans. Damn, Daniel.
Do I stutter, bitch?
What are you doing right now, Brandon?
Trying to figure out how much air to put in.
Are you fixing to ride your new motorcycle?
Yeah, I'm fitting to take Brittany for a ride.
Dude, I'm down. I'm ready to fucking ride. I don't even have a helmet. Yeah. Yeah, of course. I know you wouldn't kill me.
You got some balls.
Aha. You wouldn't believe
I can't even
what's
shift
down
gears.
there.
Oh, there's manual.
Oh, yeah. Let's take a look under the hood. How do you feel about Brandon's new motorcycle?
I don't like it.
Are you upset?
I don't like it.
I'm gonna take you for a ride. You're gonna ride with me.
No. I'm good.
Shit, no. I got my riding boots on.
Oh my gosh, you're crazy. You're riding boots.
These are my riding boots. Let's go. Up because we got some fights on tonight. Me and Brandon have been practicing. Is there another motorcycle? There is. Oh shit, the wave! The wave! I might have captured the first wave. Anyways, we're going to Kristen's house to see what she's doing, pick her up, bring her back to our house, because that's where Brandon stores his motorcycle. We've been riding for about an hour, and it is so fun. I hate how fun it is. The parents are freaking out for no reason. We're safe. They're just worried about other people hitting us. Yeah, I'm pissed off with how fun it is because now I have to get one.